In this video I'm going to show you how to send Instagram collaboration request, and that is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram, and after that hit on your profile, hit plus icon and hit post to start creating your post. You can use your camera or you can use your photos from your photo gallery. I'll select that one and then hit next. There you can add some filter if you want and hit next again. Now there on that step, in order to send collaboration request, you have to hit there on tag people and there hit on invite collaborator right there. There in search bar you can search for a specific person. You have to enter there that person's username on Instagram and then click on that person to be able to invite that person as collaborator for that post. If that person will accept your request, both of you, your account and that account, will be marked and shown at the top of the post as authors of that post, and that post will be shown to both of your followers, to you followers and to followers of that person. And when you hit done, now collaboration request was already sent to that person. And basically that's it. Now you can share that post as you normally would, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.